Alright, so this is Chapter 8, Lesson 1. We're going to go and open 8-1. Okay, so these lessons should be super easy to follow. We're really going to be working with the Pathfinder tool. Stay together. The camera is your pass. Sorry about that. We're going to resave. We're going to save this as add and subtract. Add and subtract. Okay. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is move. So, tool, object, move. We are going to type. So, we're going to move 2 in that one. Window. Alright, so I don't know where it stopped, but what we did first, I will undo those steps in case you didn't see those. We clicked on the screen one. We did object, transform, move. Did 2 in our horizontal box. We're going to do the same thing to the yellow, except we're going to move it -2. And then we're going to select all 3 of these. And then I went to Window, Objects, and Layout, and then I clicked on my Pathfinder and opened up my Pathfinder over here. I'm just going to add it right here because I prefer my stuff to be over here on the side. And I'm going to bring my Transform panel over here too. Okay, so we have our Pathfinder panel open. Now the Pathfinder panel can do a lot of really cool stuff. So that is what is so great about it. Alright. Next. Alright, sorry, I lost my place. Alright, so now that we have those 3 selected, we're going to open up our Pathfinder, and we're going to click the Add button, which is this one. Nope, I lied. Add button, this one. So they've changed a little bit, so you'll have to forgive me. And what that'll do is it'll convert all of them into one shape. The resulting object assumes the topmost of the original object. So the green circle was in the very front, so that heart became green. Alright, so now we're going to practice using the subtract Pathfinder. We're going to click on our red circle and go to Object, Transform, Move. And we're going to move it horizontally 1.5 inches. And then we're going to click on our blue circle and we're going to move it horizontally -1.5 inches. Okay. And then now we are going to select all 3 objects. And we're going to click the subtract button. So that would be this one. And what it does is it keeps the color of the very back. So the 2 front objects, the circles punch holes in the backmost object. Yeah. Alright, so next we're going to click on our green heart shape. And we're going to go to Object, Transform, Rotate. And then we are going to type 180 degrees in our angle text box and press OK. We're going to reposition the heart shape in relation to the black shape. So what we're going to do is we're just going to drag our heart shape down about half-ish way like that. Okay. And then we're going to select both objects and click the Add button. And so since this is the Add button, whenever I select it, it should turn all black like it did. Alright. So you're going to save, and this assignment lesson 1 is going to have 2 different turn-in links. So you're going to screenshot right here. So just make sure you screenshot that right there so that I know that you did that. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to file open 8-2. And we're going to save it as intersect and -black. File, save as, intersect and -black. And then you're going to get your selection tool and you're going to move the green circle so that it overlaps the red square. So we're just going to move our green circle to like right there-ish. We're going to select both options and select the intersect button. So our intersect button is this one right here. And see what it results is just a little piece that overlaps in the 2. So now we're going to move the light blue circle so that it overlaps the dark blue square. So like right in there. And we're going to select both objects and do the -back button, which is -back, that one. So it's going to just take that little chunk out of that one right there. And then we are going to do a screenshot of that. And you will do those 2 screenshots turned in. So you should have a picture like this and of that. And that's it.